Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you a remote starter installed on a Mercedes GLS 2017. This vehicle, the customer wanted to have a remote starter, but did not want to carry another remote. So we have installed a system that works on the original key and also works on his smartphone. So on the original key, all we have to do is press the panic button once. The vehicle will receive the command, and in a few seconds the car will start. We have set a different timing on this system. We've set it up for 25 minutes. And also the system has a sensor inside, temperature sensor, that will allow it at a certain temperature to turn on the heated seats. When you come to the vehicle, all you have to do is touch the door the same as you do before. And before you press the brake, press the push button once. The vehicle will indicate with 3 signals to show that you performed the key takeover. And now you can drive away. The remote starters for Mercedes vehicles and other vehicles can be found at Car System Installation. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.